Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have this dual channel TENS muscle massager that is also a stimulator for your muscles. Alright, so right here we have this dual channel. So it is a dual channel TENS massager. So you can get the two therapies in one, which is the EMS and the TENS. It's a combination unit. This is basically a great way for non-invasive drug-free methods of pain relief. So if you have a bad back, shoulders, or legs, this is a great little machine. So first off, you can see right here, the little machine right here. We're going to go ahead and put that aside and see what comes in the box. So you're going to lift up this black thing. You'll get this plastic right here. I think this is just something to set it on. It has nothing to connect on like for your foot or anything. It's just something that you can set it on. And also in the box you do get the little carrying case with a little zip tie, drawstring. So here's a little carrying case. So this is an independent dual channel. You can choose different modes and intents for the channel A and channel B. For example, you could choose P1 mode or channel A. So you do get the little stickers. You get a couple sets of the stickers. So each one of these ones here have 4. You have these small ones, and then you can get the bigger ones if you like. This is just a little extra ones. So now these are different from other ones. These do have the little things you plug in, where the other ones you just plug it in the bottom of the machine and it'll stick on with a little button. But these ones you actually have to plug inside them. So here's some more little patches. These are low impedance with a solid gel that has been upgraded to the industry leading standards. They are better self-stick performance and easy to clean after 45 uses. So here is the little plugs that you want to plug those into. So with the pads, you'll just push these in there. So these pads can be used up to 45 times, and then once you hit 45 times or so, you'll need to replace them. And then you do get the charger plug right here. This is the standard Android. It is not a Type-C. You do get a user manual. And this basically just tells you how to use it, the features, and it also has some warning. So in here it tells you where not to put it at. So anywhere near your heart or your neck, your airway. This basically tells you the on-off switch, the ports, the indicators, how you can lock it, the different modes. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get into the machine itself. It is really lightweight. You've got these up and down buttons. You have your menu, time, left and right. And then at the top you have the power on button. You just slide it over to turn it on. And then you have a USB port. So there's, you just slide it over to turn it on. Slide it back to turn it off. And you can see it's sleek and thin. So this is a dual channel, so you got channel A and channel B. So let's go ahead and turn it on. You do have different modes. Each modes have 4 different channels. You've got the TENS, the PMS, and the massage. So there's your program for your A and your program B. You have your time at the top. You also had your battery indicator at the top. You can see it's nice, thin. It's got a glossy back. So this has 20 levels of intensity, 24 pre-programmed massage modes with adjustable time. The maximum is 90 minutes with a built-in powerful rechargeable lithium battery that recharges the TENS unit that can give you continuous use up to 10 hours. So this is the mode A. So you can see the different modes. It says like here you can choose the P1 or P2, which is your level. So I've tried this one. I think this is a really nice machine. It works wonders for my back because I have a really bad back, and I just love this machine.